what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a mobile kit from Good Smile Moderoid, which came from the anime or OVA anime during the 1990s. I was still 1 year old that time, and it is part of the anime series, the Mado King Granzort. So this is the Granzort, the Last Magical War. And this is your Hyper Granzort. Yep, this is the Hyper Granzort from that anime. So this is the combination of the Mado Kings or the magical robots from that anime. So it has a resemblance with the Magic Knight Ray Earth, where the robots are also magical beings. And this model here is the combination of the three Mado Kings. And there, we got this Hyper Granzort. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside and what this Moderoid Good Smile company has to offer us. This is the box art of the Good Smile company Hyper Granzort. There you can see the very elegant appearance of this Mado King, this combination Mado King, and there we can see the face with the resemblance of a Gundam model. The reason I bought this kit is because it really looks like a Gundam to me, with the vibes of a super robot. So it's like a combination of super robot and a Gundam model kit. And there we can see the gray silhouette with this gems here. There's a blue gem, the red gem, and the sword. Instead of being magically summoned, this sword is now available in this place on the hilt, in this waist, in the waist of the Granzort. Then I like the color silver for this kit because it looks metallic, and the gold accent for the V-fins or the crown looks elegant. So there we can see the logo of the anime, which is the Granzort, Hyper Granzort, and it's a Moderoid, and this is from the Bandai Namco Filmworks. You can see the approval sticker there. There on the side of the box we can see some rune-like symbols, and this is the head crest or the crown for this model. And at the back part we can see this one. There's the face of Granzort with the lights being on the eyes, and there you can see some gimmicks here. If you have the previous Mado King's model, the upgraded versions for that kits, I think, because I'm not familiar with the terms for them yet, you can add it on the backpack of this kit to symbolize or to suggest that this is the combination of those three Mado Kings. So the Windzort, Aquabeat, and the Granzort, the main Granzort. Okay, so there we can see the fire sword, which is available also, aside from the normal blade, which is the silver blade, and then the gold blade, like that. And there you can see the other Granzort, I think. So this is Windzort or Windzart and Aquabeat. So if they combine their powers, they can offer it to this Hyper Granzort. So it's bigger. It's bigger than the three of them, or than the two of them. Okay. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. But before we open the manual, let's check the packs first. So we got these white parts here, and there we got the blade, the gold blade, and here we got some white parts and gray parts for the hands. Okay, we got hands here. We got this gray parts. I think this one for the feet. Then some small runners for the crest, the red crest, the blue crest, the sword handle and hilt, and the fire blade. This is the fire blade. Then we got another white parts for the inner frames and joints. Got the black parts for the inner frame and white parts for armor pieces. There we got some gray parts for the armor pieces for the legs. Then we got this gray parts for the shoulder armor. And finally, we got this white parts here and gray parts again for the armor pieces. So here is the instruction manual for this Hyper Granzort, and as you can see here, we have the same picture from the box art, and there you can see some gimmicks here where the Granzort can use or wield either of the blades, the two blades here. We got this gold blade and this fire blade here. Then these are the parts list. We have pre-painted parts. So this is being indicated by the yellow shades. And there we got the assemble manner, which is very colorful for me, and this is what I like in Moderoid instruction manuals. So the parts here is not that complicated, although the kit is being about the size of an average master grade Gundam, and there it can be built by a beginner hobbyist. So there it has some stickers included, but to be honest, Moderoid stickers suck for me. It sucks due to the fact that the sticker is like a paper. So if you remove it in this sheet, the paper is very sensitive, and if you put it in the wrong way or incorrectly to the plastic layer and you decided to remove it, it will easily tear up. So be careful when using this Moderoid sticker. But I think this one is for the sword only, so I might as well use the paint on that sword hilt instead of applying this sticker. For me, this is a useless sticker. Anyway, let's check the parts here before we build the kit as usual. So let's start with the small pieces here. We got this clear orange flame effect blades, which is very nice for me. This is very nice. I really like the structure and appearance of this flame effect blade, sword blade. Okay. Then we got here the sword handle and hilt. There is what I'm talking about, where you will place the sticker. So you will place the white stickers here. So I might use the silver marker that I bought from Shopee Ph to color this red layers here. So we got here clear red parts for the shoulder crests or jewels. So this is runner G, and we got this gold plastic here for the crown, the chest piece here, and there the it's like the V-fin. It's a crown design, and also the gold blade before it transformed into the fire blade. But what I don't like here is there's this I don't know, this is a cut mark. So it has both marks on each side, which is very ugly to look. So this is not nice for me. Anyway, moving on, we got this white parts here with the face or the eye part here being painted. So this is pre-painted part, and we got this white blade here, the inactivated blade. So this is runner A, and we got this two little runners, white runners for the inner frame. We got the runner N and another one here, runner M, for the joint parts. Then we got the white armor pieces here. The texture is really smooth. As you can see, this is not matted. This is smooth plastic. Very nice. Very smooth. And this is runner J. We got this black. This one is matted. The black plastic here for the inner frame. We got runner B here. Then we got small runner pieces here, white plastic parts. This is runner I and another runner I. So we got two runner I here. Then for the hand parts, we got this runner O. Then this one for the crest or the chest piece, and these are for the hands. We got the hand parts here, which again I might not use because I will convert this into a Dollin model kit hand. Okay. Then we got this runner L here for the feet. So we got two of these runners. Then we got this blue part here, clear blue part for the chest, which is runner H. Then we got these white parts for armor pieces. We got runner E. We got another runner E, so we got two runner E here. Then chunky gray parts for the feet and the legs. We got runner K and another runner K, so we got two runner Ks. Then here we got runner F for the shoulder armor and another runner F, so we got two runner Fs. And finally we got runner D for I think this one for the side skirts and waist parts, and this chunky parts here, which is runner C. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the unboxing of this Hyper Granzort from Moderoid Good Smile Company. And see you next time on some height comparison and review of this great model kit here. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care. Auf Wiedersehen, masalamat, paalam sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.